grunt and grunt about doing daily household chores, but not about spring cleaning. In fact, a recent survey finds 85% of Americans admit that it's good for their overall well-being. So, what are they working on now?
The Home Depot recently unveiled some new data based on our What Are You Working On Spring Project report, which was a deep dive on the top spring projects that people are tackling across all 50 states. And we found that, 66% of people tackle spring projects in order to cure spring fever. 52% of people this spring are focusing on mulch first and foremost, adding to and refreshing their garden beds, and 62% plan to grill year-round and really view spring as a time to kind of refresh and spruce up their grill and grilling space. So we took all of this data and paired it with expert tips, product recommendations, and project inspiration, and put everything in one place online in an interactive map so our customers can get help with all of their spring projects.
It's clear that most people view this season as a fresh start.
That really translated into our projects with people wanting to clean and clear out. So our top 3 projects that were trending initially were cleaning windows and screens, cleaning your grill, and weeding your garden. People just really want to freshen up their indoor and outdoor spaces.
And fortunately, there are spring deals cropping up to help ease our financial concerns during these tough economic times.
Now, through May 7th, the Home Depot is hosting our Spring Deals event with amazing seasonal must-finds, many of which are under $20. So for instance, for our gardeners, we've got soil, 5 for $10. We've got some beautiful annual plants, 5 for $5. For our grillers, we've got a deal on charcoal with 2 packs for under $20. We've got some great grill accessories too. This Daytona Next Grill kit is about $30. And then if you are like me and just really excited about hosting outside in the warmer weather, we've got some beautiful project completers like throw pillows, our Hampton-based string lights, and then pavers, which are a great deal right now at 4 for $1.
Get more info, including a timeline for what you should be tackling right now in your area at projects.homedepot.com/map.